इयत्ता दुसरीमधील सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना विनंती करते, आमच्या इयत्ता दुसरीचे विद्यार्थी फीस्ट इन द फॉरेस्ट ही इंग्रजी गोष्ट आहे. प्रत्येकाला वेगवेगळं पात्र दिलेलं आहे. प्रत्येकाचं काय पात्र आहे ते सर्व छान प्रेझेंटेशन करून दाखवतील. दुसरीच्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना विनंती करते त्यांनी पुढे यावं.
A beast in the forest. I am a giraffe in the story. I am showing the story. I am a squirrel and monkeys and an elephant. The story. I am rabbit in the story. I am bird in the story. I am rat in the story. Today we are celebrating Forest Day. Bring your food items for the feast. I have carrots, lettuce make halwa. I have fruit to make juice. I have green leafy vegetables to make soup. I have tomatoes, brinjals and pulses to make sambar. I have rice and dal to make idli. I want to make amrasand puran puri with 6 joining. Mangoes dal jaggery. I have onions and cucumbers to make salad. Halwa. This is the sambar tasty. This is a puran poli. Yeah, I like it. This is a salad. Oh no, it's little salt. This is amrasa. Yummy. This is the soup. Oh, it's hot.
Thank you.